Alright, what's up guys? Today we are going to be making the best video you've ever seen. We're going to be breaking some stuff. We're going to see how long it takes to break this razor deck. And I don't mean like a little crack, I mean like broken.
We're about to be sawing this head tube through the roof.
Alright, let's suit up. Okay, first we're just gonna see if we can break it by throwing it. Let's each get a turn. Okay, now we have the saw test. Okay, we're gonna do like here.
It's hammer time. We both got our hammers, and we're gonna beat the crap out of it.
All right, here we go.
That made a spark.
Oh, look at this one too.
Okay, wait. You think that does damage? Screwdriver, activate!
Garrett, watch out.
So now we're gonna see if it works as a sword. Do not do this at home.
Yeah, we're fine.
Ow.
In the head.
Yeah.
I've been growing some corn out here for many a year. Well, this trusty pitchfork does a lot of damage to normal objects like this scooter does.
So basically we moved out to the field because we don't want to destroy the concrete with this here sledgehammer. And we've set up 2 wood blocks so we can dent it, crack it, snap it, whatever in the middle. Okay.
Diddly dud darn from Reno turn.
Holy crap. Yikes. Slow-mo replay. Okay. Oh! Oh, look at all of that.
Look at all that.
Look at this.
Jeez, that's some major damage.
Okay.
Safety, number
Safety
one
first,
priority.
baby.
Safety first. You broke the wood. Hit it with the wood.
Nice.
Nice little chipperoonie. Damage report. Pretty damaged. Yeah. There we go.
Oh, look at that.
Now this entire side is gone.
Garrett, attempt 2. Ooh.
So here is the scooter right now. We've gotten huge chips out of the sides. We're down to a slim part. We have a huge crack going down it. Hopefully we'll be able to get this piece off, and hopefully the rest of this, and hopefully this side, and then at some point hopefully break it down the middle.
Oh, massive dent.
Big old dent Rooney in the razor.
Okay, ready? Oh. Okay, one more dent.
Look at this.
Garrett, part 3.
This is our final little damage assessment of how much we actually did. These are all the chips off of the side. And then this is the deck where all the chips are. Giant crack. And the head tube took a real beating right here. Same on the other side. As well as, look at that fork. Boom.
Little crooked.
A little.
Just a bit.
I can't
Also,
even-
we
I
have
can
dents on
barely
the bottom of the
turn it.
deck.
Like, listen.
We have dents on the bottom of the deck as well.
So, here are all the chips.
If you, I will be doing a giveaway for this nice deck. To enter, just
Comment. I want the scooter deck.
Comment. Give me the scooter. Give me the scooter. GIMME the scooter. And I will pick a winner next
Video.
Wednesday.
This deck, you do not want to try and practice nose manis on, because the wheel doesn't move.
Thanks for watching today's video. If you have any questions or if you want to enter the giveaway, just drop a comment. To enter the giveaway is just give me the scoot, and I will pick a winner this Wednesday. See you then.